So let us talk about level 2 today. That means instead of all the measures which we have taken in level 1, if we still get infected, what should we do? Getting infected is not something which is something we have to think is so scary now that it means I will die. There are some things very concrete which we can do whereby we can actually destroy the virus before it actually gets hold of our body. Through droplet infection, the virus enters our nose, right? And you may get either nose symptoms or maybe some sneezing, things like that. The virus is a protein and it cannot handle heat. The proteinaceous material of the virus gets denatured by heat, and therefore if it is in your nose, steam it. Take steam with plain water, nilgiri oil, Vicks, whatever you want, but the temperature of steam is so high the virus cannot survive in the nose. The virus still manages to go through the nose and enters into our posterior pharynx, or what is called as nasopharynx. What do? We destroy it with gargles. Gargle with plain hot water, betadine, salt water, turmeric water, whatever you want. But the virus is very keen on entering our lungs. Before entering into our lungs, it has to go through our throat, and there can be attacked by gargling. Before the virus penetrates the mucosal barrier and goes inside, it can be destroyed by the use of heat applied to our throat area through these mechanisms. What if the virus goes a little lower down into our oropharynx? What do? Flush it. Flush it with hot water. Flush it with hot drinks like soup, herbal teas. Drink things like kada. What has been found useful also is a kada whereby there is a mixture of, say for example, half teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Then you use an inch of jaggery and shredded 1 inch of ginger. Bring it to a boil in 250 ml of water and sip it warm enough for you to drink. The presence of curcumin in turmeric is antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal. Ginger also has similar properties of being antiviral, antibacterial. Once we drink that hot water, the virus is forced, instead of going into the trachea, into the lungs, it is forced to go into the stomach. For the virus, the lung is a place which is like paradise. And for the virus, the stomach is like a graveyard. Because there it has to further face the stomach acid, hydrochloric acid. And it cannot just survive with its hot drinks, with turmeric and the acid, virus dies. So in this way, even if we are at level 2, we can really actually prevent this from going to the level 3, because at level 3 the virus gets a place where it can multiply into billions of copies and create massive damage into the lungs. Thank you.